Hello, welcome back to the Project Ocean update. The first of many, I assume. So yeah, we're going to be doing what we did with Nemesis and coming down nearly every week and coming to have a look at what's happening with Project Ocean. There'll be about 13 videos in this series, as the project has got a 15-week like thing that it has, and it's already been about a week and a bit since it was approved. So let's head down to Project Ocean site to have a look at what construction's been going on so far. Not much so far because they only put up the construction fences about a week ago. Yeah, we'll go and have a look. It's going to be a short update, but the updates will get longer as we go on. Come over here. It's the Ground Command Coffee. They've got the walls up right next to it. Now see if we can see over the wall with my tiny selfie stick. I really hope you did see that. Yeah, that is over there. See from up here. Because I want to see it too, not just the camera. Not much going on so far. They've started excavating and they've got some site offices around the back of Bunkline Store. So I think that's it for now. And I'll see you in the next Project Ocean video. Project Ocean construction update. Anyway, I have one final thing to say to you. Say things right.